I'm Ricardo, and I'll be showing off all my fidgets. I have over 40 fidgets to show you guys, so let's go. So first, my first ever fidget was like this. It's like a pop-it. You pop it like this. It's really satisfying. Okay? So we can yeet that out. That wasn't a good yeet. Okay. So next, well, this was recorded on Valentine's Day. Okay, no. And next, I have, well, okay, got it, yes. Next, I have this Orbeez stress ball. No one never not likes Orbeez stress balls. I love this. Okay. Alright, so let's yeet that out. Now this will be a good yeet. Nah. Oh, the things we do, I like the view. You do? Yes, you're my best friend. Nah. So next we have this. It's like a magnet cube. Okay, so we can yeet that out. Oh, now that was a good yeet. And next, we have a little commercial. Legos. This is like a little flower, and then there's like a heart. But we're talking about fidgets here. And next we have this putty. Let me open it. Oh, now that's it. Oh yeah. And stretch. Okay. That was called Angry Putty. It was at Learning Express. Okay. Oh, now putty is a good yeet. We have this unicorn putty, but I'm not going to show you that. And we have this small putty. Oh, right into the Orbeez stress ball. Next, we have this shaggy stress ball. Wait, it looks like little worms are coming up. It's so weird. Did I catch it? Oh, I caught it. Okay. I caught it. Neat. Not the best. Which one should I show next? Wait. Oh, yes, our pea popper. We have this little pea popper. So cute. All of them pop. And we have a duplicate pea popper. We have two pea poppers. Two. And we use them. Okay. Next, we have this like snowball stress ball. Or you can go like this. You shake it. You grab this. Oh, it didn't work. No. Oh, we have this mini stress ball. And that's it. Nope, it's not it. Okay. Next, we have our Orbo mesh. I'm gonna show you all the Orbo mesh I have. I call it Fred the ball. Do you get it? Fred. Now, where's my other blue one? Blue, come out. Oh, there you are. So first we have this blue one. Don't you know you can go like this and shake it? So next we have the yellow one. And next we have the green one. Oh, and I love this one. It's my fave. All the things we do. I like the view. You do? My best view. Nah. Okay. I said yeet. I said yeet. What's up, Shadi? What's up, Lynn? I don't know the words. I'm just gonna eat it. Okay. And next, we have these. Okay, let me get all of them out. I have 3 of these. So first, I have this red one. I never knew this was a fidget. Now I do. So we're gonna eat that. And next we have this yellow one. this one like really goes out. That one's so big. Can't stop. Can't. And then I had a green one, but I took it out. It's like slime. Hey guys, look, it's my slime career. Nope, fidget. Yeah. And next, we have these like free basketballs. I don't know why they're fidgets. Like we have a blue one, neat. An orange one, neat. And my fave, a red one, neat. Okay. Next we have this mini Rubik's Cube. Let me mess it up. Okay, let's see if I can solve it. Okay. So the green is already solved. So I'm gonna solve it there. Ooh. Ooh, I solved it. I'm gonna ooh, that was a good one. It didn't break. And next we have two of these. I'm gonna eat one because like, well, we don't need both. So I'm gonna example on the yellow, like you push it out. Looks like that, and then you put it back in. Look, no, I want your number, no. Wait, so where are my other biker chains? So I have 3 biker chains. Oh wait, I need to show you guys something really cool. So this is, did I say this was magnetic? So I'm gonna put these on here. Oh wait, that one didn't stick. Look, it's sticking. We don't need you. So first I have 2 yellows. 1, 2, and then we have this red. Ask, so no, I don't want your number, no, and I'm gonna keep in mind, so no. And next we have this. It's like a noodle. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. I don't know. It glows in the dark. You just tingle it. Ooh, it's called a tingle, I think. Use that tingle. Oh. I actually like these are hilarious. Okay, don't mind me. So they can pop. Look, they can either go like this. It's a fidget because you go like this. Oh wait, I tried one of these ones and they literally like blew up. Wait, here's the face. Okay, it's gonna blow up. Okay. Now you're wearing a hat, boy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Neat. What should my next? I have 3 pea peppers. Ooh, I have 3. Okay, my triple pea pepper. I really don't know. Ooh, I should show my monkey noodles. So guys, I only have these monkey noodles. Yeah. Do you think that's all I have? This is all I have. A neon rainbow monkey noodles. Wait, let me make it. Orange, yellow. So pretty. And no, that's not all we have. We have glow-in-the-dark monkey noodles, of course. We have purple, blue, yellow, orange, red. I don't know what it's called. Comment down below if you think it's red. Hit the thumbs, subscribe if you think it's orange, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you think it's red. Okay, I dare you. You know what? I triple dog dare you to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and like this video. Yeah. I love this. I want this so bad. So it's like this. They love popping these ones. Nope, wrong one. On the back we have this and this. You roll this. And on the bottom you roll this. And then you can put this up. And then this is just a thing to move and this is a thing to hold it. Okay. We have another Rubik's Cube. We skip that. Oh my god. An infinity cube, guys. An infinity cube, yes. It's black. All black. infinity cube. I can solve one of these so fast. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 1. Done. Okay. Come. Okay. Next we have these cool fidget spinners. We have a red one. We have a yellow one. And we have a green one. And next we have these slinkies with my face on them. Oh, so we have these like spinny things. If you think you go like this, you're wrong. So it has a little flower on it. Spin it like this. And they spin. We have this science one. No one likes science, just to say. We have this star one. That's purple, my fave. We have this orange one. I'll spin it. Okay, if your favorite color is purple, then I need you to hit subscribe. If your favorite color is pink, then I need you to hit subscribe, turn on notifications, hit the thumbs up. And if your favorite color is orange, I need you to hit the thumbs up. And if your favorite color is green, I need you to hit notifications. But if you like all these colors and none of the colors I said are yours, subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit the thumbs up. Okay, next we have these. I have no idea what this is. Wait, okay, this is how you fix it. I have an orange one. Well, if you don't like orange, lucky for you, I have a blue one. They tried. Oh wait, I broke it. No. Please don't break on me. Please don't break on me. Please don't break on me. Okay, let me try to fix it. They tried, Annika Road, but my legs were too long. Every day is like Daddy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, fast calves all the way. Okay, fix it up. Ooh, I think I got it. You'll go there. Wait, I got it. Fund, fund. Lightning and fund. Okay. We don't need to fix that now. That's boring. Just fixing something. Next we have this blue and green one. If you don't like blue and green, lucky. I have orange and blue. Before we get to the last thing, we have a little intermission. Once there was an ocean of trash. And now the ocean's clean. Okay, that's all. That's all. This is my favorite. Like, if you're like, why do I keep saying like? Okay, never mind. If you want to trade with me for this, no trades unless you have like that stretchy thing. It's this lava lamp. Sounds so cool. It's a mention of watching the lava lamp trip. I don't want your number, no, and I'm gonna give him my love, no. I don't want your number, no. No. And I think that's a little boring now. And that is all my fidgets. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the notifications and thumbs up. I triple dog dare you. You have, I would say, 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here are all my Fidgets on the ground. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if you can see them. I'm so sorry for not catching. I never knew I had 3 pea poppers. And the lava lamp is the coolest to me. Comment down below which one is your favorite. And that's it for live streaming. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Did I already say that? But make sure you do subscribe. Okay, bye. Shall we do bloopers? Maybe. And this lava lamp is the coolest thing in the world. Ooh, lava lampy. Monkey Doodle's whack in the face. Ow! Whacked in my face. Okay, that's it. Bye!